Hey guys, welcome to Edinburgh Waverley Station. It's Jack and Ed. Ed is not with me today as we will be doing things without Ed sometimes. This is the cross-country 220 Voyager to Plymouth. It's all good. I'm sorry I haven't published a video in a while. You know, with school it's been quite busy, and we have the new ScotRail 43 HST from they haven't painted the coaches yet, so they're still in First Great Western livery. I'm not quite sure where that's going to actually.
This is a security message. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it.
Class 385124, which I suspect is off to Glasgow, somewhere, Glasgow. Get into the tunnel. Anyway, in the platform next to me we have a class 170 in leaving for a minute to Arbroath. And then there's a 385 over there and a class 170 to Glenrothes with Thornton. Guys, sorry if you can't hear me, I've just noticed my microphone has been turned down, so I will just turn it back up again. Guys, we have 334031 coming in from Glasgow Queen Street.
Platform 15 for the 1407 ScotRail service to Glenrothes with Thornton. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Gateway, Dunmanny.
Recently it's been quite busy for me, you know, with entrance exams, and sorry about the intercom.
This train is formed of 3 coaches.
That's that one.
Platform 15 for the 1407 ScotRail service to Glenrothes with Thornton.
Anyway, I haven't seen Ed for a while now. He's been on holiday and I'm on holiday as well. And I think the Glenrothes train is off now, or not. A Glasgow train is off. 385105 is off. As is 17415 to Arbroath. Both of them going into the tunnels there to stop at Haymarket. as you can see, I've come here while the Edinburgh Festival is on. So I was going to go and stand on a bridge just up that way a bit, just in front of me behind those tunnels. But as the Edinburgh Festival was on, they thought that people would go try and get onto the castle that way, so they've closed the bridge. So I decided to come here and do some drone spotting here instead. But it's generally been a very, very good holiday so far, and I hope you guys are having a good holiday as well. Comment down below where you have been and what you've been doing. Please like and subscribe to Jack and Ed.
Platform 14 for the 1410 ScotRail service to Milngavie via Glasgow Queen Street level. Calling at Haymarket, Edinburgh Park, Uphall, Livingston North, Bathgate, Armadale, Black Ridge, Calder Crooks, Drumgilla, Airdrie, Coatbridge, Sunnyside, Shettleston.
Here is a class 385. I can't quite see the number on it. I suspect it's come from Glasgow again.
Partick.
It is
Westerton, Bearsdale.
385020 from London, Glasgow, Queen Street. And a class 170 410 coming in to arrive at Edinburgh Waverley here. It is now raining, and thank you for watching. We hope we will publish another video soon. But that's goodbye from me. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Bye.